Hi Francine, this is Helen and I want to try and help you with your problem. So what you want to look at is if you look at this extract range, look, you have extract range here and then image patient, right? And then month down here. So when you built this, you built it incorrectly. So let's look at this, what it's supposed to look like. So I believe if we come up here to open the Clemson, so I'm thinking that we want to get rid of this and an output range. So cell A, so we're right here at step 5. A4 through E4, we're going to copy it. So I did a Control C, and then we want to go to G4 and do a paste. So now month is there, and so I think up here we would put extract range. Right, so in G3 we would have the word extract range. Let's go down here and look. See, so extract range, it's not formatted, but I don't think that's going to matter. But if you look now, G4 has month in it. Images is an H4, as opposed to when you had it in this G4, it had the word extract range. So you needed to say month because that's where it pulls it from. So now if we try and go to step 7, we're going to select cell G5, right? And, oh, sorry, we need to do the step before it, which is why you couldn't sort it, because you had the extract wrong. So let's come up here and let's just double check your criteria. This looks great. That looks great. So let's go back, advanced filter, and let's run through this again. So select A5, so that's right here. We're going to select A5, and in the advanced filter sheet, we're going to come up here to, I'm on my Mac, so it may look a little different, but we're going to go data, and then, sorry, not the sort, we're going to do the advanced, right? And the list range, you know what? Let me get this back so we can see our instructions. So in the sort and filter, we're going to pick advanced. Filter in place? Absolutely not. We want to copy the filter over here. So we're going to do copy. The list range, it automatically picked it, A4 through E60, which is perfect. The criteria range, you need to go over to the criteria sheet, which I think you did properly, and then we're going to do A2 through B4, so we get the labels as well as the criteria. And then in here, where are we copying it to? Well, we're going to select G4 through K4, right? That lists the names of the columns. We're going to go ahead and do OK, and perfect. So now we get right here in G4, we get month instead of the word extract range. So now if we go back to step 7, where you're in G5, and you're going to come up here to sort and do the sort box, the first sort that you're going to do is image. So we're going to click image, and look how month is there. So image A to Z, we're going to add another one, and then we're going to do, and there's month. Now that you actually have month in that cell. So month, and it's going to be oldest to newest, and then let's click OK. So let's see if it matches. So we have CT scan, MRI, perfect. Within each image, we have it by the month. So that looks good. All right, give that a try. If you have problems, let me know. I'm going to be on and off the computer all day today. So, all right, thanks.